Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's all about PowerPoint presentation, and in this presentation I want to see on how to use a master slide, transitions and animations. Finally we'll show the slide. So we shall start with the slide master. You click on view. After doing that, you select where there is slide master, you click on it. So they will show you what to do. So here you edit since you want to make some changes in your work. So the effect on one slide will affect all the other slides. What you're going to do on my heading, if I want to bold, I will just select it and bold. If I want to change the font style, I will do the same thing. If I want to change the font size, I will do the same thing for the font size. Then after that, you close. When you close, the effect will appear on all. Then also I select the content. I do the same. I go to my slide master. I apply the effect also on the content. So, but I will first select my content. Having done that, if I also want bold, I can do the same. Then font style, I also get the font style of my choice. I can choose this. Then from there, maybe also the font size. You get the font size of your choice. I click. Then from there, when you close, you close. Then when you close your master slide, you see the effect has applied all. Then from there, what I'm going to do else, I'm going to put these transitions. These transitions, you just click on transitions. Then here are transitions I've showed you, and remember there are many here, so you choose any transition of your choice, you apply to all slides. Maybe for this slide I can choose this transition. Then the next slide you do the same, you choose any transition, you apply to the next slide. You go to another slide, maybe you can also put this. You go to the fourth slide, you put this one. You go to the fifth slide, you also select its own transition until you finish all the slides. Then once you see that star, it means the effect has applied. So from there you also add a transition to the last slide. Having done that, we are done with the transitions. Then let's go to animations. For these animations, you can either select animations for the heading and the content differently. So for this case, my heading, it's animation, I will put this one. So when I go to content, I also select the transition for it. Then I also go to, this is major. There. Then I go to another slide. I do the same. For the title, I give its own. Then also the content, I do the same. Then I go to the next slide. I do the same with the title. Also, the content, you give everything its own animation. You go to the next slide until you're done with all the slides. So also the content, can just put that. I go to another slide, I select my heading, I look for an appropriate animation. Then also the content, I get its own. I go to the next slide, I select my title, I give its own animation, its own animation. It is this. Yeah, also the content, I do the same thing. So until I finish all the slides. The second slide, I also selected the title. I give its own animation. Also this, I give it on up to the last slide, whereby you do the same thing for everything until you're done. You also select the title, you give its own animation. Then having put the animations, we can also get the duration for this, because we are after here we are going to show the slides. So you go to where there is duration, you set the time when this slide must show after the other. Maybe you can select this one anytime. You select maybe this one, you choose, that is the time, that is the timing. After that, what you will do, you will have to show the slides, meaning each slide will show after that duration. Then having set your time, you say apply to all. You apply to all. Then having done that, you go to slideshow. You see if the effect has been applied. So you can show from the beginning. You see, you wait, meaning so the time we set has not applied. So you can be clicking this, you see. So until all the slides are over. See this? That's how it will come about. So this is how we deal with PowerPoint presentation. So guys, this is what I had for you. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice time.